Right guys, just a very quick video. Imagine being able to add subscribers, USA subscribers, that is, top tier subscribers and buyers to your email list without them having to opt in. This is a very unique system. I've never seen anything like it before. I highly recommend you grab this while it's so cheap. It's $11. It's a no-brainer as far as I'm concerned. I bought it and I bought one of the first upsell. Fantastic training. Adding people to your opt-in to your Aweber or Getresponse without them having to opt in is crazy. Okay. Imagine if you've you're buying solo ads, you're often looking at 40% opt-in rate. That's the average. Okay, all those other clicks you're wasted on you. You're not getting the subscribers. But with this method, you will get an extra 20 to 30% extra opt-in rate on top of what you've already got. So you're looking at 60, 70, even up to 80% opt-in rates, whereas normally you only get 40 or 50% opt-in rate, which is crazy. And if you think about it, the money you're saving with this technique is absolutely phenomenal. So if you are doing any sort of list building, driving traffic to your web pages, your squeeze pages, whatever, get this, because it is going to make a massive difference to your pocket. Imagine if you are, because I'm kicking myself that I haven't known about this in the past, because if you're driving customers to a sales page and they're just bouncing off and you're not getting the sale, you can't follow up with them. You can't. But with this method, you can, because they're added to your Aweber or Getresponse, and you can follow up and say, hey, why haven't you bought blah blah blah? Here's a bonus, here's a discount code, anything like that. Absolutely fantastic technique. This is the sales page, by the way. It's called Lead Vacuum. We're legally vacuuming thousands of leads straight off our sites and pages without them buying anything, submitting an opt-in form, or having to take any action. Absolutely fantastic training, guys. Get this. If you are driving traffic to any sort of page, get this, because it will make a massive difference to your results. Okay.